Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm going to share with you my hands-on Sudoku book which I've made for Vivan. So this is my book number one, and we have been learning a lot of new things, and out of those the first one is Sudoku. And basically I have not made any activity on Sudoku so far, so I we have been just practicing Sudoku, and but this is my first formal book that I've made for Vivan, and these are just different set of activities. So I'm going to quickly open the book and I'm going to show you. I've just used a simple white book, and on the sides these are the Sudoku rules. A very simple one. Every row must have one each of each item: number, color, shape, alphabet or etc, and then it must appear only once in, so it's like it needs to be appear only once, if you can see here, and then every row, every column and block. So this is like the part number one. This is where you start, like you just make a square and then you divide the square into four parts, and that's when you like put the stickers, and then you have to see which one is missing here. So here in this block you have pink, and here this block you have pink and black. So which one is missing here? The black one. Same goes here. So you have a pink and a pink here. You will have a black and a black. And the same goes with here. Just a simple teaser to begin with. Then moving forward, I have then divided the same square into 9 parts, and then I've used 3 different colors of stickers here, and now he needs to figure out which one is missing here in this spot. So if you will see, I have used an orange, black and pink. So we have the 3 oranges here, we have the 3 black here, and we have 2 pink here. So which one is missing in this row? So each row will have all different colors. Each row and each column will have a different color. So like orange, black and pink, right? Orange, black and pink. So in this way, which one is missing here? It's the pink which is missing. So in the same manner, there's another activity to practice here with the 3 colors, that's black, brown and yellow, and then another one here which is purple, brown and orange. And now again here, this one is another grid wherein one square has been divided into 4 different parts here. So this is block number 1, block number 2, block number 3 and block number 4. It gets a little more complicated when you start using blocks. So this is what Vivan needs to figure out, like what is missing here. Sorry. And then I have used different kinds of stickers here and different patterns. So here I have a lot of pictures of the animals, and Vivan needs to figure out which one is missing in this one. Here again I've made a smaller one in case if he's not able to do this one, he should be able to crack here. It's the blue one which is missing here. So it's like blue, red and yellow. So yellow, blue and red, and then again red, yellow and blue. So all of them are different. Then I have used the stickers with the alphabets. Another one with the shapes, different shapes here. This one is just blank because I had used the sticker, so this was a little curvy. Again with the stickers, 4 different colors here, and there are now 2 blocks which are missing, and he needs to fill both the blocks. With the owls and then with abstracts. So again two empty places he needs to fill. Then again with some alphabets, again with some summer props I have used. And the last one is with the numbers, and here if you see, like after he's doing all that, in between I'm going to do a lot of other activities on Sudoku with him, and this is the final one where I have left way too many empty spaces. I'm sure it's not going to be an easy journey, but we're going to go very slow and very we're going to practice a lot more before we reach to that page. I'll try and record a video when he's doing, but I will definitely some pictures on my Instagram and on my Facebook account. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this, please do let me know. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the activity. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.